Hi there, welcome back to Decorating Happily Ever After. I'm Jeffrey Kevin. Today I want to share with you a fun 4th of July table that could also be used anytime during the summer. For this tablescape, I'm going to be pairing two summertime classics, gingham check and watermelon dishes. It's really humid outside today, so I'm going to do this tablescape in my dining room. But if you're in a more temperate climate with less humidity, it would be great on your patio or on a picnic table, anywhere outdoors. So let's look around the table. I'm starting with a gingham check tablecloth that I picked up on eBay. For the plates, I'm using some acrylic watermelon plates. I'm going to be using a red cloth napkin. I have some watermelon little dishes. This one's a half watermelon. I also have the whole watermelon, and I'm going to be using these for fruit salad and ice cream. For the flatware, I have some cute gingham check. I found this set at Jenny's. For some reason, this set did not come with salad forks, so I'm going to be using the teaspoon where normally the salad fork should go. Your knives and spoons usually reside on the right, and then your forks reside on the left. But today, I'm going to be breaking that rule because I want to use the whole set. I'm a rebel that way. A rebel without a fork. And for my glasses, I'm using an emerald green stem glass, and then I'm also pairing up a cute little gingham check iced tea glass set that I picked up at Goodwill along with the pitcher. For my centerpiece today, I've used a ceramic watermelon basket. Then I've put some Gerber daisies and moss lined and added a few watermelon picks. This is a little watermelon, I guess it's a small cookie jar. Have another watermelon salad bowl. Here in the back, I've got a cute little condiment set. It's a picnic table with salt and pepper and ketchup and mustard. I think my mother bought that whenever I was a child. I think it came from Fred's. Got a whole little watermelon dish. I believe most of these dishes came from Dollar General store, but I have picked up a few pieces, like this pitcher. I believe I found it at Goodwill. And this red tray, this two-tiered tray, I'm using it to display my cute little watermelon cupcakes. Just frosted some cupcakes in red and put some little watermelon picks in them. Have a watermelon teapot. And I have the pitcher that matches the gingham iced tea set. And on the back corner of the table, I have another set of watermelon glasses. These I'll probably take off and do some watermelon ices in them and keep it in the fridge and then bring them out on the rack chilled. I think I picked those up at Goodwill too. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After, and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a video. I wish you a happy 4th and a happy summer. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, hoping that you decorate happily ever after. Bye-bye now.